Some characterize it as an innovation chasm or the valley of death, but we prefer to call it a commercialization conundrum. So the key question for us, which we are exploring with entities such as CSIRST, is how do we go beyond demonstrations and pilots to ensure market uptake? We're doing well in terms of generating new knowledge, and we're competing well globally on that scope, but we remain challenged in terms of translating those research results into commercializable products and processes. Hence, we call it the commercialization conundrum, which has been bedeviling the system for a very long time. But it's not only a South African problem, it's a global problem.
We recognize that there is this conundrum, and the shift for the department is to go from isolated pilots to creating an innovation environment where everyone can flourish. The approach is not for DSTI to directly commercialize technologies, but to enable a clear and functional pipeline from research and development at our universities and science councils to market. DSTI's role is to invest in research, technology development and enabling instruments, and to create the policy and funding environment that supports this innovation. Commercialization itself, including market development and product positioning, is undertaken mainly by the institutions, our universities, our industry partners, and our investors. The department is tackling this conundrum through a few actions. First and foremost, we are strengthening structured engagement with industry to support the uptake of innovation, and this is led by our Deputy Minister. We are scaling our instruments, such as the Innovation Fund, to move the technologies towards demonstration and uptake. We have targeted sectorial programs in energy, bioeconomy and space to prioritize technologies with a high potential for uptake. And we are refining our incentive mix with blended funding, catalytic financing, private sector co-investment, and we are strengthening our offices of technology transfer that is situated within each of our research institutions, our 26 universities and our 11 science councils, so that we can better support them for progressing publicly funded intellectual property towards the market. So DSTI therefore is not extending into commercial operations, but we're intentionally strengthening the enabling environment to ensure that viable innovations progress beyond just pilots into sustainable market adoptions.